loves, good morning. So I'm going to my nail appointment this morning. I've got to get myself some new nails. They're a little bit long now and they're beginning to break. I have a busy day today, and so I thought I would vlog it for you guys. I'm going to update you guys more in a little bit. Guys, I am all done in the nail salon. I got field box today. They look so much shorter than they did. It's kind of freaking me out a little bit, but they need just to go a lot shorter. But I got field box, which I used to get loads in Edinburgh. I haven't had it for ages, but it's one of my favourites. Anyway, I am now on the hunt for an advent calendar for Zach because I'm going to the farm today to see my friends. We're having our annual Christmas weekend, and yeah, I need to leave Zach his advent calendar. So I didn't find an advent calendar in Covent Garden. Wasn't really expecting to be fair. So I just came straight to the garage where I dropped my car off yesterday. She's finally all sorted, I think. So we are going to, well, I'm sure going to find out because I'm going to drive to the farm later. But yes, so I am a fair way away from home. I'm going to drive to a Tesco near my house and see if we can find Zach an advent calendar. It's much bigger. So we're going to give that a go and hopefully they'll have one. I'm a bit worried I'm already too late to do that. Then I'm going to go home, clear up, pack up. Okay guys, this was my final decision. We've been eating a fair amount of Maltesers at the moment, so that's what he's getting. Hi guys, so I'm back from being out and about. I had a quick sandwich from Tesco which I forgot to film because I absolutely snaffled it for my lunch. And then I had a shower because I didn't have time to wash my hair before my nail appointment this morning. And it was so greasy and disgusting. I was like, right, I'm just going to have my second shower of the day. I'm going to wash, I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on because I was not feeling cute. And you know, you're just like, today's one of those days when I need to just feel a bit cuter, to feel a bit better. Anyway, you may have noticed, I actually can't see it on screen then. You may have noticed something new. I'm wearing a sleeveless top. I might change out of this, I haven't really fully decided yet, but I have a new tattoo. I got it yesterday. I'll just show it to you quickly before I waffle on. So she's a bit swollen still, especially around the back of my arm, and a little bit pink. But this was done by Scott at Parliament Tattoo. He actually owns that studio. That's his studio, with his wife. I love his work. I will leave his Instagram down below. He's Scott Move on Instagram. And yeah, I've got another appointment with him. We're going to work on my arm a little bit. I don't know if all of you guys are going to love this. I'm sure lots of you guys don't like big chunky tattoos, but I love them. I love the way they look on people, and I love Scott's work. So it was originally supposed to be a kudu skull, and kudu's horns kind of go like this, so they like have a twist in them. But just because of the proportions of my arm and where we were going to put it, the skull would have had to have been quite small, and then the horns would have had to have been really big, and it just wouldn't really have worked on this part of my arm. So it's kind of a young kudu. Just, you can kind of see it should just begin to start twisting after this. So that's what we're going with. It's a young kudu skull with a chrysanthemum around the back and a snake as well. The snake's head is here. I haven't really got to grips with it completely myself yet, but it comes kind of just past my elbow. I love it. I'm looking forward to seeing it when it is less swollen, because right now my arm just looks enormous. Every time I get a tattoo recently, I'm just like, this is my new favourite. I love this piece. I'll kind of come a bit closer so you guys can see some of the detail in it. So how gorgeous is that? Anywho, I'm going to wrap it up in a second, so I just want to show it to you before she gets wrapped up again. I am in love with it. I think it's so nice, but I have been wearing a couple of oversized t-shirts, like the kind of thing I wear every day, with it, and actually you can barely see it. Again, my kind of sleeves come to here. It's probably not going to be on show as I think it will be for quite a big tattoo, because I'm always in t-shirts or long sleeve things basically. So that's my new tattoo. So anyway, I wanted to vlog yesterday, and I did do some vlogging, but I just had one of those days where absolutely everything goes wrong. Lots of things were kind of accidentally put on that day that just meant I was absolutely running around and everything went wrong, and I had a few cries and it was not a good day, so my vlogging kind of went to shit. But apart from the tattoo was the best bit. I had it quite late in the day. It's probably the latest tattoo I've ever had or sat for. It was like 5 until 8:30ish, so it kind of felt like I wasn't getting one all day, and then I just went and got a tattoo. But yeah, it wasn't too long. It really didn't hurt too bad at all. It was quite a fleshy part of me. It's probably my easiest bigger tattoo to have sat for, just because, yeah, it was in a really fleshy part of me. I kind of look a bit weird around here at the moment, just because that's where my tape has been. If you guys don't know, I wrap heal or wet heal my tattoos, or moist heal my tattoos. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up again in a minute, but the tape is by far the worst bit. The worst bit about yesterday was definitely being sat kind of very, very still on a stool for 3 hours. Like, my hips and my lower back hurt so much afterwards. And then the worst bit about wrap healing it is the tape, 100%. Tattoo itself is a breeze. I wanted to talk to you quickly about Vlogmas, because I know lots of you have been asking me, are you going to do Vlogmas? And I know that at the end of October I said that I kind of wasn't planning to. And I've gone back and forth on this throughout the whole of November. I've thought about lots and lots of different options and ways that I can do it that's really going to keep the pressure off. There are going to be some things, like I'm going down to Devon again, and there are still some things that are not really appropriate for me to vlog. And I just think it might be nice to really keep the pressure off this year. Have a December off, because I haven't had a December off in like 5 years or whatever. I will try and make it up to you guys with a month of vlogging in summer or something, when really everything is kind of ticking over properly again. But yeah, I just don't think that right now is the right time for me to do Vlogmas, and I don't want to disappoint you guys again and promise to do it and then just fuck it up, basically. However, I am going to be vlogging. That doesn't mean I'm not going to be vlogging. And I will try and vlog like the most festive stuff, and then we can have longer vlogs, nicer vlogs, vlogs where I'm definitely in the right headspace and feeling good to vlog. Yeah, more festive, Christmassy vlogs as well, because otherwise it just all gets bogged down in the kind of daily routine of it. There's still going to be like Christmassy vlog content. I really hope that's okay. I really hope you guys understand. It has been a crazy few months. I need to get cracking. I need to clear up this room because it's an absolute tip, because I've just been... Yesterday I was truly just rushing around doing all sorts, and then this morning I rushed out the house as well, which I hate doing. I hate leaving things in a mess. I need to clear up this room, pack the car, get myself to Tesco, get me and the girls lots and lots of delicious food, and get myself out to the farm. I am going a day early in preparation just to make sure everything's good, and most of the girls I think are arriving around 12 tomorrow, even though it's a Friday, which is really exciting. Usually on our weekends, obviously, we all kind of get together quite late Friday, and then everything's so quick that they end up leaving the next second. So it's going to be really nice to have them a bit early tomorrow, but it does mean that I want to have everything ready for them, ready for our weekend together. So that's all super exciting stuff, and I'm so looking forward to seeing them. It makes me feel better, like they are like good for my soul, to see my friends. It's my friends from Edinburgh. I'm going to do that, but anyway, enough desk chat. I'm off. Also guys, I cannot tell you how excited I am about this. This is the new short story collection from the author that wrote my dissertation books, the Broken Earth trilogy, and she has a new book out and more. I pre-ordered this ages ago and it arrived today, and it's not a hardback. I was expecting a hardback because it's just been released, but it's not a hardback. Hooray! So I am putting this straight to the top of my to-be read list. So guys, I'm finally packed and ready to go. I'm gonna hop onto the supermarket now and try and make this shop as quick as I can, because I really want to get out to the farm now. I'm impatient to do so. I feel like today's been the longest day and I wanted to get out so much earlier than I'm going, but whatever, these things happen. But yeah, I'm gonna get going to Tesco now and get us some food. Hi friends, me and Rachel here drinking some champagne. There she is. And we're just about to start watching I'm a Celeb. I made fajitas for dinner and I didn't vlog it, but it was pretty basic. We used a fajita pack. Good morning you guys, welcome back. Today's Monday the 3rd of December. I thought I'd vlog today because why not? I'm looking a little bit sweaty and gross because I was just in a spin class. It's 7 AM this morning. I usually don't go for super early Monday exercise classes because I'm like, I will definitely not turn up to that. But then I end up always having a really unproductive Monday where I don't get up early enough and I don't do all the things that I wanted to do. So I thought today I better just try and do some exercise nice and early. Plus I am going down to Devon on Thursday, kind of trying to fit in all of my exercise for the week in these first 4 days. So I'm also going to go to Pilates later on, which means I am going to have a shower now, but I might not wash my hair, which is kind of gross, but I'll wash it. I'll have another shower again later after Pilates. So don't judge me guys, don't judge me. But yeah, so I went to my spin class, got myself a coffee on the way home in the little pop-up cup that Urban Outfitters gave me the other day. Very useful to like shove in my pocket in the morning. I am going to shower now and then I have a lot of unpacking and clearing up to do. So the first port of call this morning is to do emails. Always something you've got to start with on a Monday morning, catching up with things, making sure everyone's in the loop. So next up we're going to do my unpacking and my clearing up. So my loves, it is definitely time to do my advent calendar for the day. I need to actually take out the ones that I opened at the farm as well. I love the setup of this diptyque calendar this year. It's just so pretty and I think I'll probably keep this because it's just super reusable. Hang on, let me tilt you down. Because of all the little drawers. It's probably quite useful for little knickknacks and things, and it's just gorgeous. So number 3 is here. That took me ages to find. And we have got a scent. This is Eau de Sang. I'm not actually sure if I've had this one before, or if I have, I can't quite remember it. Smells lovely. Hi my love, so it's been a pretty quiet afternoon. Just been getting on with some things at my desk. It is almost time for Pilates now. I'm wearing nothing of interest. I'm wearing an old Zara t-shirt and these Nike leggings, and obviously I won't be wearing shoes, but I'm wearing my Air Force Ones. Yes, I don't think I told you guys, I've upgraded from the basics Pilates, Reformer Pilates class now, so I'm in the normal one, and it actually was okay last week. Yes, but I'm still a bit nervous because it is really tricky. It's all about your strength and your stamina as well. You do these things where you're kind of holding and pulsing for long periods of time, so you've got to have good endurance as well as strength, and it's tough. And then I'm going to come back, get ready. I'm just back from Pilates, guys, and it was so hard today. Everything hurts me. my lovelies. I'm sorry I didn't film all my makeup. My camera kept overheating and then cutting out, which wasn't very convenient, obviously. But I have got ready this evening, hopefully to take some pictures with Zach when he gets home. But whilst I wait for him, I think I'm just going to read my book and chill out. This is my outfit. I'm wearing my jacket that I bought the other day, an old blouse from Nasty Gal, these jeans that I never take off from Levi's, and then my Chloe boots as well. Hi my loves. So today is Tuesday. It's the evening, well it's actually the afternoon, but it feels like the evening because it's so dark outside. I have been busy all day just doing some filming for some jobs and stuff, but I thought I would hop on here and round up this vlog. I don't know what I've got in this vlog, so I'm sorry if it seemed a little bit all over the place, but I think it's time for me to just finish off this vlog and upload it, because I keep being like, should I add a bit more on, should I add a bit more on. The last couple of weeks have been super busy with me trying to kind of just finish up jobs before Christmas. I think that's made it a little bit harder for me to vlog. So there's lots of bits that I can't vlog in my day. Like I think I've worked on 4 different jobs this week and it's Tuesday. But hopefully next week there should be some much more exciting, festive, fun vlogs going up, and everything will just kind of wind down and calm down as we go towards Christmas. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog nonetheless. You get to see my new tattoo. She's healing up nicely. I know that females do not have horns. Nonetheless, for some reason, she is a she. But yeah, she's healing up nicely. She's a bit peely at the moment, but healing really well, I think. I'm going to get back to work from bed. As you can see, I've been at my desk all day, but I was like, it's time to retire to bed. There's still a non-vlog video going up this week, which I hope you guys will really enjoy as well. Oh, and also, before I forget, I have a discount code for Laura Lee for you guys, which I am so excited about. I've been wearing all of my Laura Lee bits non-stop recently. Discount's going to start tomorrow, Friday 7th of December, from 10 AM until midnight on Saturday the 8th. So you've got most of the day tomorrow and all of Saturday. There should be a section on the website, I'm going to link directly to it down below, which is called sunbeamsjess, and basically it's got lots of jewellery pieces on that page, which you can get 10% off on if you use the code JESS10 at the checkout. Only the pieces on that page are available for the discount, and then you'll have to add the code as well when you get to checkout. So I hope that makes sense, you guys. I'm going to leave all that information down below for you. I highly recommend Laura Lee pieces. I've got my coin necklace on. I've just been wearing all my pieces non-stop basically. Got my Northern Star on at the moment. My little moon and my Chubby's hoops. But yeah, I would highly recommend you guys go ahead and use that because some of the pieces are a little bit more expensive just because it's all handmade in London. Plus the quality is incredible. So yeah, some of them are a little bit higher priced. Make sure you use the discount whilst it's available if you guys have got your eye on some pieces. That's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!